How to redeem connects on Upwork. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem connects on Upwork. For this, you want to open up any web browser and search for Upwork. Then head over to this website, which is upwork.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now click on the profile icon, and from this list, select the option of connects, or on the home screen, click on the buy connect option over here. Now you will get to this page. Here you will have to select the amount to buy over here, then fill up the rest of the details. At the bottom you have a promo code option over here. Now you can enter the promo codes to redeem your connects. To find your promo codes, open up a new tab and search for Upwork promo code. Click on any reliable website such as worththepenny.com. Here, as you can see, there is a promo code which gives 40 Upwork Connects for free. So in order to redeem it, either click on the shop option or copy this promo code. Then head back to the Upwork's website and paste this promo code. Now click on the apply option. If the code you've entered is valid, it will be successfully applied. Then click on the buy connects option and complete the rest of the steps by following the on-screen instructions. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.